What? What? How did you get me there again?
It's a happy day!
You got two sides. Here's one, and here's two. Okay, that's this one. Check. We got one front, and check. So that means we have all the pieces. We also need fine sandpaper, wood glue, check, and a hammer. Good to see you, buddy. Okay,
Now,
assembly. So we gotta glue and nail the pieces together. And this one is up.
And this one is up.
Get your hammer, that's right. Gotta be careful. Okay, but you're a carpenter. Now, can you take this next one, the next nail, get the next long nail, and hammer one in there. That's right.
He's a left-handed carpenter.
Oh, excellent, Gabriel. Look at you go. You're knocking it down in there. Daddy to finish it down there. Okay. That's close. Oh my goodness, Gabriel. It's like we're carpenters, me and you. Okay, one more. Okay, yeah, you hold on to it again and you pound with that one.
Very good.
Excellent. This goes into it here like this. Give here like this, and then that.
Glue.
Hit this one right here. Go ahead. No, I'm not hurt, Gabriel. He's got to learn, Mama. He's up on it. Here we go, Gabriel. Watch. There we have a little box.
Yay! Made a square.
That's right, Gabriel.
Square has 4 sides. I can see.
I'm taking pictures of you.
Is that your camera?
Yeah.
He's taking a picture of me.
There's 100 photos.
You just took.
So it's down, and then what we do is we got to put glue all the way around here. And that, my man, is how we glue it. Now, yep, you want to help Daddy, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
No, it's too big.
No.
Oh.
Here, hold it up here. Hold it up here. There you go. You can pound this one in.
I'm sorry, News. I'm sorry. I'm okay, Mama.
Yay! All done.
All done.
Good
With
job,
the-
Daddy.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
And put the stickers.
Put the X right there on top. Right on the, here, set it down. Set it down. Excellent.
One down. You put it over there.
I'll pick the height.
Good job.
Sophia. Nice. Okay, put the last one on, if you would. Put the last heart on there. Put the pink on this one. Excellent. To insert it into, now put them together. Put them together. Now, Put it on here and you put it in the slot. Oopsie. There you go. Good job. Now look at. Now you can play. You want to play Daddy Tic-Tac-Toe?
How do you play tic-tac-toe, Daddy?
You want 3 in a row. 3 in a row.
Oh.
You want to do hearts or you want X's?
I want to do the heights.
Okay, you take the hearts. Now you go ahead and lay the first one wherever you want. You put the first one down. Okay, that's a pretty strong move. Daddy is going to take this spot.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Daddy will go here. What? Gabriel, you won!
You get 3 hearts in a row.
3 hearts in a row.
How is that possible? Good job.
Thank you, Home Depot.
That's a nice Valentine's tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe.
So, I'll go with the X.
Okay, one
Okay,
more.
you do the X. I'll do the hearts. Go ahead. You start first. Ooh, you're gonna go there again, huh?
Mm-mm.
Oh, Gabriel, you had me, buddy. You had me so bad.
Your turn, Daddy.
There's no way I could have.
No! Put here.
No, Gabriel.
No, sir. Better watch out. You better not pout. Where are you gonna go? You're lucky, kid. I didn't think you were gonna go there.
He knows, babe. He knows. He knows what he's doing.
What?
What?
What? How did you get me there again?
What?
I was gonna come here and say, I win!
No, it's Gabriel's first.
Man. Gabriel, you're good. High five.
Good
now,
job, buddy.
Now you just go like this when you want to put them away, Gabriel. You just go like that. Whoops. Oh, I guess you go like in. Like I was trying to pull them both out, and then you put them in there. Leave them in there. And then you go like this. Oh.
Yay! Thank you.
Okay, ready? Just wait. That's it.
Good job.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.